Our update on the Lamborghini Murciélago here is a couple of things we've been doing. We're test fitting all the parts, making sure everything lines up correctly. Once all that's, we have the fit and finish in place, then we'll blow it back apart, do our final prep, and get the vehicle ready to paint. So a couple of things that my technicians working on here on the front end is the client chose to have us do a custom fabrication of the aluminum bracing here on the front of the vehicle. This is basically the impact beam as well as the support that holds the bumper cover up and in place. And then on the bumper cover itself here, we've got a thin coat of body filler on the top, but on the back side here, as this is an aftermarket fiberglass cover, our technician ended up splitting the back side of this, drawing it back this direction about 1/4 of an inch, and then refiberglassing all this underneath. So at the end of the day, we're just looking for a nice tight fit and good alignment with this before we go to paint next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.